U.S. prosecutors have made serious accusations against Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder of cryptocurrency exchange FTX, alleging that he leaked personal writings by Caroline Ellison, the former head of FTX's affiliated hedge fund Alameda Research. The government claims that Bankman-Fried's actions were an attempt to interfere with a fair trial and discredit Ellison, who had pleaded guilty to fraud and agreed to cooperate with law enforcement. The leaked documents were reportedly shared with the New York Times, potentially impacting the upcoming criminal case against Bankman-Fried. The allegations of Sam Bankman-Fried leaking personal writings by Caroline Ellison have added a new twist to the already high-stakes legal battle surrounding the collapse of FTX. The cryptocurrency exchange's downfall last year sent shockwaves through the industry, leaving thousands of individual customers without access to their assets and raising serious concerns about the lack of financial controls and transparency within the company. Caroline Ellison's role as the former head of Alameda Research, an affiliated hedge fund associated with FTX, has become crucial in the criminal case against Sam Bankman-Fried. Her guilty plea to fraud charges and her agreement to cooperate with law enforcement made her a valuable witness for the prosecution, providing insight into the alleged illegal activities that took place within Alameda Research, all while being connected to FTX. Prosecutors argue that Bankman-Fried's alleged leak of Ellison's personal writings to the New York Times was an attempt to discredit her and interfere with a fair trial. The leaked documents reportedly contained candid expressions of Ellison's emotional struggles and frustrations with her job, including statements about feeling overwhelmed and unhappy. Additionally, the writings referred to a romantic relationship with Bankman-Fried and how its breakup affected her feelings about Alameda Research. The article in the New York Times highlighted these personal aspects of Ellison's life, leading to concerns that it could prejudice the jury's perception of the case and potentially dissuade other witnesses from coming forward. By sharing such private and sensitive information, Bankman-Fried's actions have raised questions about the fairness and impartiality of the upcoming trial. The criminal case against Bankman-Fried is expected to be a landmark event in the cryptocurrency industry. The collapse of FTX was one of the largest and most significant events in the sector's history, revealing vulnerabilities and potential regulatory gaps in the emerging digital asset market. The outcome of this trial could set important precedents for how cryptocurrency exchanges and their executives are held accountable for their actions, potentially influencing future regulatory measures. Furthermore, the involvement of high-profile figures like Sam Bankman-Fried and Caroline Ellison has drawn significant attention from industry stakeholders, investors, and regulators. The case has highlighted the need for improved governance, financial oversight, and ethical practices within the cryptocurrency sector, which has often operated in a regulatory gray area. While the case revolves around the actions of individuals and a specific exchange, it has broader implications for the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. The trial will likely be closely monitored by market participants, policymakers, and the public, as it may shape the future landscape of digital asset trading and influence discussions around regulatory frameworks. As the legal proceedings continue, the focus will be on ensuring a fair trial for all parties involved, safeguarding the interests of FTX's creditors and customers, and addressing any potential wrongdoing within the cryptocurrency industry. The leaked documents add complexity to an already complex case, and both prosecutors and defense teams will be scrutinizing the evidence and witnesses to present their arguments convincingly. In the wake of the FTX collapse and the subsequent legal proceedings, the broader cryptocurrency market has seen increased calls for transparency, accountability, and investor protection. Regulatory bodies worldwide have been closely examining the industry, aiming to strike a balance between fostering innovation and safeguarding market integrity. The trial, scheduled for October, will be a critical moment in this ongoing evolution of the cryptocurrency space. It has the potential to bring about positive changes by reinforcing the importance of proper financial controls, responsible leadership, and adherence to the law within the burgeoning digital asset sector. At the same time, it also underscores the challenges of regulating a rapidly evolving and decentralized industry. As the legal process unfolds, the cryptocurrency community will be watching closely, hoping for a fair and just resolution to the complex case that involves billions of dollars, reputations, and the future trajectory of digital finance. As of now, both Sam Bankman-Fried's spokesperson and Caroline Ellison's lawyers have not responded to requests for comment. Similarly, the New York Times declined to provide a comment regarding the matter. The case against Bankman-Fried continues to unfold, with the leaked documents adding a new layer of complexity and scrutiny to the upcoming trial.